Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to this new video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you Telegram bots that actually earn you stars just for carrying out daily tasks within the bot. So without any further ado guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So Telegram hosts hundreds if not thousands of bots that earn you stars just for carrying out daily tasks, and the best way to find legitimate bots that actually work for you is to go through your account settings. So you just want to come to your settings just as so until you see this option that you see your stars. So once in the Telegram stars tab, you just want to come onto this N stars here below that shows new. So you'll be taken to the affiliate program, which is actually a program that lets Telegram users earn money for referring people to Telegram bots. Okay, so if you scroll right onto the bottom, you see many different bots and available programs right here. Okay, if you can go onto the bottom, you see that each of them has its own rate that pays users for carrying out mini tasks, but I have highlighted 4 of the best after going through each and every one of these programs, and my best overall is this exchange stars. So if you can find it in your Telegram application, it is good. Otherwise, I'll be sending you the link. I will drop the link to this bot in the video description just so you can start earning stars by carrying out tasks in this bot. So what you want to do is just click on the bot, and then you should see your link that you want to copy. I'm going to explain one of these better. If you look at the description of this bot, you see that you sharing your link with your friends will earn you 80% of commissions on your spending in the bot for over a year. Okay, so you can go ahead and copy your link just as so, and then you proceed to the bot just as so. So this is how the bot works. When you come to this bot, after clicking the link in the video description, you will see that the bot earns you 5% commission on their deposit of your referrals. Okay, so if you refer someone to this bot, you will actually get 5% of the amount that they deposited on the bot. Say they deposited 10 or 100 stars on the bot, you will actually be receiving 5 free stars upon this deposit. Okay, what I love about this bot is how easy they make it for users to get adapted to their system. Okay, let's say you want to add funds to this bot. If you want to add 1,000 stars, you will be charged $12.50 for this. And this is just the guide that you can use. You can actually copy and send to your referrals just so they will be able to carry out tasks on the bot. And also you need to know that when they carry out tasks through this bot, you also be getting commission for what they are actually doing. It is not just about them adding or topping up their accounts with the bot. So as you might have understood earlier, this bot is all about referring users to the platform. Nowadays it's very easy to get someone to use a bot that promises something that they definitely want. Okay, if you find someone, or if you know about someone, or if you just have an audience that you want to share your referral links with, or that you think that they will be very useful when it comes to sharing referral links and carrying out tasks within this mini bot, then going in for this bot are actually the best options that you can have. You can go ahead and encourage your referrals to also refer more friends to the platform just so you too or they too will be getting bonuses from their referrals. And oh hey, if you have friends in your entourage, you guys can just do a follow for follow. Okay, you can refer them and then they refer your next account. One other way that you can get more referrals to this is that you create another Telegram account and open or access the mini bot through your referral link. Again, as earlier said, you have thousands of bots to choose from. What I will even recommend you to do is to come to the affiliate program tab here in your account, and then you go through the different bots and the profitability available. You can sort this out by profitability, revenue, or even the date. Okay, let's say we sort this out by revenue. You see that this bot earns more revenue as compared to the other ones. This playbox earns more revenue as compared to the other ones, and its validity is quite encouraging for 3 months. Okay, and also don't get confused by the percentages you see here in green. They're actually there to encourage you into clicking through them, but you can go ahead and analyze each and every one of these bots to see the one that are actually best paying. What I would recommend again is that you go to the programs that I have already gone through, and then I've actually made them very accessible to the referral links you find in the description. So you just want to click on the links to access this, my bot list for earning more and free stars on Telegram without having to spend anything. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I'll catch you in the next episode.